Hello everyone, this is Yulia Kondan, and in this video I want to talk about improving your business processes using Microsoft Excel. In this video I want to give a little review of the template I created. I'll try to make this video as short as I can, so let's move on. Before we move on to the template, let's talk a little bit about business process. So we have a data load which has information about orders. We need to run this data load to import this information into Oracle application. For each order, Oracle application generates release number, and we need to find this release number. Before implementing the template, we had to run each order or group of orders separately and then make pause to write down release number. Implementation of the template allowed us to run all the data load, and then after everything is in the Oracle, look for release numbers. Okay, now after we discussed business process, let's take a look at the template. As you can see, we have several tabs here. We have main, open release, DL tab, and other tabs. Let's start from main tab. Here we have information about our orders. And as you remember, the main purpose of this template is to find release numbers. So to find release numbers, I'm using index match and trim formulas. So as you can see, we're looking for release number on open release query tab. And in addition to just looking for release number, this template compares quantity loaded and quantity we should have loaded. So in the column I, I'm using SUMIF formula to calculate the quantity of units we loaded into Oracle application. And in column J, column quantity DL, I'm using SUMIF, trim and concatenate formulas to calculate quantity of the original source. Another useful thing in this template is difference, right? We can see if we made some mistake in our loading process and we have some discrepancy between what we should have loaded and what we really loaded. We can see difference right here. And I have special tab to find in what line this difference occurred. So we're going to PT comparison tab, pivot table comparison tab, and here I have two pivot tables. And to find where we have discrepancy, we need to find to filter PO number, filter our node to receiver in both templates, and here we can see the list of PO lines and the total amount loaded on each PO line. So this is just example, right? So that's why you see only one PO line, but you can have 10 or 100 PO lines, and here you can see the difference in these columns, in these cells, and if you have 100 lines, chances are you made mistake only in one line. So it's very useful, so you can go to your Oracle application and to make necessary corrections. Okay, I think I covered all the main things this template can do. Now let's talk a little bit about benefits from using this template. So there are following benefits from using template. You don't need to write down every release number, what minimizes human errors, such as writing down wrong release number, gives the opportunity to catch and correct error on early stage, and of course, the most important is time saving, because using this template you can save from 1 to 2 hours per day, what can sum up to 4 to 8 hours per week. Okay, I think I covered everything I wanted to cover in this video. Thank you for your time, and I'll see you. Bye.